I got something in the mail from the tall man today. Wonder what it is. Alright. More bubble wrap for the bubble wrap gods. Ho, ho, ho. That is a very pretty box. Dude. Okay, so I was on the waiting list for this because the majority of these went to the in-person signing in California, and I'm stuck in Idaho, so I'm very excited that I got waitlisted for this, and somebody must have canceled their order, and I got it. Okay, so... from Silver Sphere Productions. So I'm trying to get this out of the bubble wrap without hurting it while holding a camera with one hand, because I'm not a pro. Oh my goodness. Look at that slipcase. This is a copy of Phiction by Don Coscarelli. And what it is, get it out of this slipcase. It's a book of stories from the Phantasm universe, and it came with a film cell of the Silver Spheres. I'm gonna have to look at that in better light and try to get some good pictures. That is so cool. And I believe that's from like the OG movie. Could have been taken from Phantasm too. My camera's not picking it up, but there's like this cool pattern. Oh, there we go. It's like the Shining bathroom, except for all in red. Ooh, love the little silhouette of the tall man. Ooh, foreword by Joe Lansdale? Yes, that's the guy who wrote Bubba Hotep, which you should also see Coscarelli's adaptation of that story and read it. They're both very funny. Then, let's see. I don't remember if this was illustrated or not. It's looking... oh, yeah, it is. I suck at this. I might cut some of this out. Aha! Ooh. Nunchucks and an urn. It's about Rocky. Oh my god, that's one of my favorite characters in the franchise. She rules. So, anyway, I'm excited to dive into this. Yay!